For today's learning intention, it is to understand what sedentary behaviour is and understand the benefits of physical activity. Our success criteria for today is I understand the benefits of physical activity and I understand the term sedentary behaviour and how it applies to my life. So let's first off describe what physical activity actually is. Physical activity is any body movement that requires you to burn energy. These things can be jumping around, running, shooting a basketball, or even riding your bike. Now, sedentary behaviour is basically sitting or lying down, except for obviously when you're sleeping. Now, some sedentary behaviour is okay in small doses. There just needs to be a balance between physical activity and sedentary behaviour. Like me, in remote learning, I'm sitting a lot more than I would normally do because I'm working mainly on my laptop. So I have to make sure that I'm mixing in some physical activity every day so that I'm not staying seated for the whole day. So, how much physical activity should we do every day? Well, people that are between the ages of 5 and 12 should accumulate, that means add up, to 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous intensive physical activity every day. Now there's 3 different types of physical activity: light, moderate and vigorous intensity. Now we're aiming for moderate and vigorous for our 60 minutes. Now here are some examples on each of the 3 categories. Our light intensity are things like playing with your toys, slow walking, maybe doing some chores around the house. Our moderate exercise, which is one we're looking to do, is things like riding your bike, playing on the slide, or walking relatively fast. Our vigorous intensity category is things like running, skipping ropes, swimming, and for most of you that play weekend sport, this would be vigorous activity too. So what are the benefits? Why do we do physical activity? It improves our social skills and it keeps us healthy. Also, it enhances our movement and coordination. It helps us learn by contributing to brain development. It makes sure our muscles and bones are strong and improves our sleep. So for this week's PE activity, I want you to track how much physical activity you get during the week. See if you can hit that magic number of 60 minutes per day.